She's just an old-time kitty cat, the kind that you wanna hug and scratch. She's Sadie and she's a pretty cat. I love my Sadie 'cause she's a pretty kitty. I love Pepper too. I bet she's asleep right now. She sleeps with her eyes open. It looks like she's staring at me. It's very confusing, but she's not asleep right now. She wants to go outside, but she was just out there. Pepper's an old-time kitty cat too, and she likes to be hugged and held, just like all the good kitty cats, 'cause she's a very pretty cat. She's just an old-time kitty cat, the kind that you want to hug and scratch. And she likes to poop in a box. That's the best part of kitty cats. I love them more than pizza rolls and other pastries filled with food. Maybe not a bear claw. That tastes pretty good, but cats are cool too. I love my kitty cats. They're cute and they are where it's at. Pepper, you are the cutest kitty in the world. Maybe Sadie is cuter, I don't know. Pepper, you wanna go outside? Maybe I'll let you go right now. It's time to go outside and see what's happening out here. Trying to open the door. There we go. Oh, Pepper, let's see what you do. She's gonna go under the table, and then she's gonna sleep out there. Let's go see what Sadie's up to. I bet she heard that door open. I'm gonna give her hugs and kisses if she isn't coming this way. Uh-oh, she's just sitting there. Sadie's just an old-time kitty cat, the kind that you wanna hug and scratch. You can pet her too. Be careful, she hisses and bites. Say goodbye, Sadie. Oh, she's gonna just clean herself. Oh, by the way, I didn't lock Pepper outside. I just closed the door because the air conditioning's on.